Hello everyone. This is Group 3, and today we are here to present on our topic, which is going to be copyrights in Canada. Me and my group members are going to present our topic. Let's start. Let's know what copyright in Canada is. So, copyright means the legal protection for original creative works, and copyright applies spontaneously when created. Now, let's know what copyright protects. So, copyright protects the expressions, not the ideas. For example, everybody can make their own superhero, but if I have decided a particular superhero for a movie, then any other franchisee which any other franchisee who wants to make movie cannot use my character. So copyright works this way, and copyright also prevents reputations. It covers digital and non-digital workings. Now let's know what the purpose of copyright is. So the purpose of copyright is to protect creators from getting misused. A lot of people misuse contents that are created by the content creators. So copyright helps to reduce that. It also inspires creativity, creating own content without copying from others, and it also allows earning through royalties. Also, it gives control over use of work, and it also helps to ensure fair use in the society. Now, let's know what copyright protects. So, copyright basically protects the original works such as books, poems, articles, other things such as artworks, photos, logos, uh, s- entertainment factors like music and records. These things are also protected by copyrights because these things can get copied very easily. Anybody can sing a song which are written by others, so and they can just claim that it is written by me. So copyright also protects that. Also, copyright protects films and scripts, and copyright is also helpful in the protection of software and digital programs. Now, I would like to call Chiagoji to present his topic in front of you all. So, you will hear Chiagoji next.
Yeah, I'm talking about the right to creator slide 5. So under the right of the creator, I'll talk about the economic right that is replicate, publish, and allocate, complete or display, make, variation. That is, these three are under the economic right. And I'll talk about the moral right, which is a moral right being known as the creator. Then second one is protect the truth of the work. So these are the two moral rights under the right of the creator. Yeah, thank you.
Now I would like to talk about the duration of copyright. The first thing is the life of the creator, which is 70 plus, and like it means that the copyright protection lasts for the entire lifetime of the person who created the work plus 70 additional years after they die. This rule is used in many countries like Canada, USA, and most of the European Union countries. And the next thing about the duration of copyright is that the public domain, like once the copyright comes in, the work enters the public domain, meaning like anyone can use it, then there is no permission is needed and it becomes free for public to copy, share, modify, or republish. And the next is corporate anonymous works like 70 years from the publication. It means that like if the company was created by a company or corporation or the creator is unknown or anonymous, then the copyright does not depend on the person's lifetime. Instead, it lasts about 70 years from the date the work was first published. Now, the next thing is the limitations and exceptions. Since every copyright has the limitations and exceptions, the first thing, to be fair dealing, allows limited uses for the education, research and study, news reporting, criticism or review, and the parody and satire. And for the non-protected by the copyright, Subhash will gonna tell further detail about that one.
Alright, the next slide is what copyright does not protect. So it is equally important to understand what copyright does not protect. Copyright does not apply to ideas, concepts, or themes, facts, data, or basic informations, titles, names, or short phrases. Any work not recorded in a physical or digital form, that means the concept of a film or a melody cannot be protected. Only the specific recording or written version can be protected. And the next topic is copyright infringement. Copyright infringement occurs when someone uses a protected work without permission or beyond what fair dealing allows. Common examples include downloading or streaming pirated content. Another one is copying someone's artwork, writing, or code. Consequences can involve legal penalties, financial damages, removal of content, and reputational harm. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Subhas. Now let's learn about a case from an example. So this case was CHS versus Law Society, which happened in 2004. So there were two parties involved here. The publisher was CHS, and it sued against the Law Society of Upper Canada. So what the publisher claimed was the Law Society was infringing copyright by providing a photocopy service for legal materials, allowing self-service photocopiers in the library. So the main legal question here was does LCU's copying violate copyright or not, and does providing photocopiers count as authorizing infringement or not. So the Supreme Court of Canada decided that the court decided in the favor of the Law Society. Uh, because copying done for individual research request is fair dealing, not infringement. So providing photocopiers doesn't mean that authorizing legal copying. So this was the case and example, case study example. Now the summary, I would like to present the summary. So copyright protects original works, includes economic plus moral rights, and the duration of copyright is above 70 years. And copyright helps in fair dealing create, and it also creates balance, and it is very useful for creators and users. So you can see the reference page as well on the last slide. That's all. Thank you so much.